airplane.
कार बना रही हूँ।
Hello. How can I help you?
I'm planning to travel. Can you tell me some great places to visit?
Australia, Japan, United States. The ticket is being printed. Please wait. Please take your ticket.
अब दूसरी बना रहे? 15 मिनट के।
Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready. Passengers, please put away passengers. Please fasten your seatbelt. Fastening your seatbelt can keep you safe. Cabin check is complete. Please tap on the start button. Push the throttle. Slide the wheel to fly. The plane took off successfully. We're on our way.
उनको सबसे ज्यादा करना है।
Passengers, we will arrive in Australia shortly.
Let's go to the opera house and enjoy some amazing music.
Unable to download. Please ask Dad or Mom for the
क्यों हो जाता?
passengers the meals.
ओए, जाना मामी के वाटर कूलर से ना, मामी के ना वाटर कूलर से ना वो ले आ पानी। मेरा बोतल में होते आ, प्लीज मुझे बहुत प्यार लगा। मैं तेरे को ही दूंगी फुल बिल कराने।
I'm done eating. I want the food.
किसने डांटा? किसने डांटा?
Passengers, we will arrive in Japan shortly.
This is a great place for a hot spring bath.
हाँ? मुझे पानी देना। इसके बाद ना ये लो। क्या है देवंशी? रो रही है। वंशी इसको किसने मारा? वंशी, इसको किसने मारा? मुझे क्या पता? क्यों? ये रो क्यों गया इसे?
Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please take care. Please find all the safety hazards in the cabin. Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. The safety check is complete, and you did a great job. Passengers, we will arrive in the United States shortly.
Let's go and play a football match.
We have to change into our football uniform before going to the match. Wear a helmet to protect our head.
The football match is about to start. Players, please get ready.
Don't let them steal the ball. Pass it to a teammate now. We lost the ball. Give it back.
वहाँ पे लग दे। नहीं रख सकती है, नीचे लग दे। मुझे पहनना।
Thank you for traveling on the Babybus flight, and we look forward to seeing you again.
चल सोते लेट के देख जब प्लेन फट जाता है तब उन जो लोग होते हैं उनके नीचे अरे लेट है ना लेट
The food truck is opening soon. Let's buy some ingredients at the supermarket first.
ऐसे ही देख लो इसको धनिया चाहिए
We need to buy these ingredients. Let's find them together.
खीरा ले आलू मिर्ची चाहिए मिर्ची नहीं ला सकती है तुम
Not this one. Keep looking. Not this one. Keep looking.
We have to change our school uniform.
Not this one. Keep looking. Great! We've bought all the ingredients. We can open for business again. There are many people in the movie theater. Let's go there and sell things. Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! How do we equip the magical item?
क्या करे जा रही है? सिक्के नहीं ला रही। मैं पता सिक्के नहीं लेते हैं। बलून भी नहीं लेते बलून क्या है? बस रोना है तुमको।
Welcome! What would you like to order? We'd like strawberry popcorn. Choose soda. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. Let's make the popcorn first. Tap the button to turn on the stove. Pour the ingredients strawberry sugar, butter, corn kernels. Stir it. The ingredients are mixed well.
पापा क्या कर रहे हैं नीचे? Find it.
Wow, the kernels are turning into popcorn. You're great! Now let's make the juice.